I want to compare three popular vacuums on Amazon. We've got a Shark over here and we've got two different Dyson models. The Shark is the one on the left side. This is the Shark IZ163H, and it is a Pet Plus vacuum cleaner, so designed to deal with pet hair and things of that nature. The middle one is the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, and on the right side we got the Dyson V8. So let's start with some of the differences. The runtime, the middle one is the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. It's gonna have a 60-minute runtime. Now most of these runtimes are rated in the low power, and on the V8 and on the Shark they're both a 40-minute runtime. Other thing you might look at, and I've used lots of different battery powered vacuums, is the size of the canister here that collects the dust. So you can see they're fairly comparable on these three vacuum cleaners, but some models do have larger dust containers. Now, one of the things you might notice on the Dysons, a lot of the Dysons have a trigger that you're gonna hold down the entire time. Like on this one, you hold down the trigger, if I let go, it turns off. It's got a high and a low on this V8. Now the Dyson V12 Detect Slim is one of the Dysons that does not have that, and it's actually you just push the button and it comes on and you can adjust into different power settings. The Sharks, same way, that there's no trigger to hold down. It does actually have a trigger to go in like super high maximum power, but it has a low speed and a high speed, and then you pull that to go on for the maximum power. One of the most important things to me about battery powered vacuum cleaners is the cleaning head. I really like the cleaning head on this one. This is the vacuum that we use at our own home, this Dyson V8. And you see it's the same cleaning head on this V12. And they just do great at not getting hair wrapped around them. On the Shark, some of them have a better cleaning head on them than others. So the ones that I like on the Shark models are the ones that have these power fins. And so that is, to me, makes a big difference in the hair not getting wrapped around. So some of them do not have that, but this one does. So I really like that. All of them are gonna come with different attachments. Typically, I just use the regular vacuuming head on there. The Shark comes with two other attachments, a little pet tool, which is kind of like a mini vacuum, and then a crevice tool. These are gonna come with crevice tools as well. You can take the handle off if you wanna do that and use them, you know, for a short vacuum cleaner if you wanna get in the automobile or in the couch cushions. One other difference between the Shark and the Dysons, most of the Dysons are gonna come with a wall mount, and these do, so you mount them on the wall, where the Shark does not. The Shark, you just kind of lean up against a wall and it's going to plug in right there to charge it. The Shark, though, does have a compact storage mode. You'll see it'll actually fold right here in the middle, and so I can fold it in half basically, and you can also bend it if you were trying to get under like a super low area. The handle will actually bend like that, so you could even go under something even lower with it in that position again, and also for storage reasons, or it locks out in the straight position. All in all, the Dyson and the Sharks are two great vacuum cleaners. I like the head on the Dyson, and I like the Shark head if it's got the power fins, which this particular model does have. So these are some popular models. Hope this video has been helpful in showing you some of the differences.